Two popular digital selling platforms. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Lemon Squeezy, the modern SaaS and software sales platform. And on the right, Payhip, the creator-friendly digital product hub. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into the real differences. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's a super quick visual of everything we're going to compare. Pricing, target audience, features, tax compliance, customization, marketing tools, and payments and payouts. Yeah, I know, it's a lot, but you need to know all this stuff before you commit. Okay, so let's start with something everyone asks about. Pricing. Lemon Squeezy gives you a free trial, which is nice, and you don't pay a monthly fee, so kinda tempting, right? But now keep this in mind. Every transaction costs you 5%. Plus 50 cents. And honestly, that extra 50 cents adds up shockingly fast if you sell a bunch of low-ticket items. Then, there's Payhip. The free plan is free forever, which is huge. And you're looking at just a 5% fee. No weird per-transaction charges, no surprises. If you start selling big volumes, it's even cheaper. Of course, paid plans kick in at $29 a month. But for most folks, that free plan is clutch. All right, winner here is pretty clear. Payhip, by a mile. Next, who are these even for? Lemon Squeezy is like developer heaven. If you're shipping SaaS or indie software, or maybe you just love tinkering with code, this platform totally gets you. The flip side, if you're more of an author, coach, or designer, Lemon Squeezy might feel kind of cold, not as cozy. Payhip, though, it's all about creators. Selling ebooks, courses, memberships, you name it. Artists, designers, course sellers love it. But if you're a hardcore developer, probably not your scene. So this category, it's a tie, honestly. Both have their crowd. Features. All right, Lemon Squeezy keeps things sleek and simple. You get license key management, super smart if you're doing software, and the interface looks annoyingly modern in the best way possible. Downloads, subscriptions, all covered. But there's no course builder, no dedicated storefront, no email marketing. And yeah, customization is kind of limited. Payhip, though, they are packing everything. Drip course builder, memberships, affiliate programs, email marketing integration. You can sell physical products if you swing that way. PDF stamping, even custom domain support. The interface isn't quite as fancy, but honestly, you'll barely care. It's stacked with features. Winner, Payhip. Easy. Oh, and here's something cool you might have missed. Lemon Squeezy got scooped up by Stripe in 2024, which means it's even better at payment stuff now. That's actually huge for developers or anyone worried about reliability. Ooh, tax compliance. This is where things get real. Lemon Squeezy, merchant of record. They handle your VAT tax stuff internationally, and it is so hands-off, it almost feels like magic. You literally don't have to fuss about compliance. Payhip, though. You got to do it yourself. No merchant of record, tax headaches are your problem. So for anyone selling globally, Lemon Squeezy just wipes the floor. Winner, no contest, Lemon Squeezy. Customization. Lemon Squeezy gives you clean, minimalist landing pages, which, cool, looks pro. But if you want to brand everything, customize, add your own touch, or mess with SEO, you might get frustrated fast. No full storefront, barely any branding options. Payhip, on the other hand, lets you go wild. Full storefront, better SEO control, creator-centric branding, totally your vibe. The interface isn't super sleek, but you get way more freedom. Winner, Payhip, marketing tools. So this one's kind of wild because Lemon Squeezy does the basics. Discount codes, a simple email feature, lead magnets, but, and this is a bummer, no affiliate program. Which, I mean, for some folks, that's a deal breaker. Payhip absolutely delivers. Built-in affiliate program, analytics, third-party email integration, cross-sells, upsells, all that jazz. You might need integrations for some features, but overall, it's just more creator-friendly. Payhip wins this round big time. Payments and payouts. On Lemon Squeezy, Stripe is in the driver's seat, which means super clean billing and all the dev tools you could want. You get standard payout timing, nothing fancy. But hey, it's Stripe, so it just works. Over on Payhip, instant payouts. Tons of processor options, and lower fees make it way more attractive if you want your cash fast. Winner here, Payhip. If you visualize both platforms on a radar chart, Payhip is going to look like an octopus stretching out, packed with features, customization, marketing tools, and lower pricing. Lemon Squeezy's sweet spot, tax compliance and developer friendliness. Sort of depends. If you want muscle everywhere, Payhip. If you're hyper-focused on software or SaaS, Lemon Squeezy's spikes in the right spots. All right, quick wrap-up. Lemon Squeezy is perfect if you're that person shipping software or SaaS and you just don't want to touch international tax compliance ever again. It seriously feels effortless. Payhip, if you're a digital creator, courses, ebooks, art, and you want deep marketing tools, better customization, and lower fees, you'll love it. Both are solid, just very different flavors. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.